Because I actually just got a couple of phone calls this week from people who would normally call me Mr. And those people would be spam calls, like the phone company, the people I really don't want to talk to. And they really got to me before anyways with the whole Mr. comment.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
But no, it is improved because I got a call. I picked it up. I answered it. I was like, hello, how's it going? And bam, I got Mrs. Friends and family are just baffled. They can't believe it.
The rainbow passage. When the sunlight strikes raindrops in the air, they act as a prism and form a rainbow.
The rainbow passage. When the sunlight strikes raindrops in the air, they act like a prism and form a rainbow. It's really, I don't use this word often, but it's a miracle. It's a really miracle of science. Dr. Kim is one of the finest in his field.